কি শাহাদাত হোসেন,
শামীম হোসেন।
শামীম হোসেন। আপনি ক্লাসে রেগুলার আসেননি শামীম, কেন? মে আই নো?
ম্যাম আমি জাস্ট উইকেন্ডে মাঝে মধ্যে ক্লাস করি, কারণ আমি যেহেতু শেফ কোর্স করতেছি, তো মানে প্যাশন হিসেবে শেফটাকে বাছাই করছি, তো আমি উইকডেজগুলোতে ওই শেফের এখানে ব্যস্ত থাকি। এখানে আসা আমাদের বিষয়।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আপনাদের ছবি তোলা হলো না কিন্তু। আচ্ছা ফাইন, আপনারা দেন সবাই মিলে একটা ছবি তুলে উই পোস্ট ইট অন দ্য পেজ সো দ্যাট আদার্স গেট ইউ নো।
ম্যাম শুধু আগে তুলে দিয়েছি।
আমার সামনে এটা তুলতে হবে।
ম্যাম প্রেজেন্টেশন করলে ভালো হয়।
কোথা থেকে করলে ভালো হয়?
ওই সেটটা
ভিডিওটা?
অন্য করতে এখানে তোমার স্লাইডটা ভালো আসবে।
ওকে, মেক শিওর ইজ রেকর্ডিং। আপনার রেকর্ডটা পজ দিয়ে দেন, সেই জন্য আমি আমার কাছে নিয়ে আসছি।
আমি a student from University of Scholars in department and a friend of yours. So today our group is going to discuss about a topic named "Poor life is happier than rich life." So I can say that as a human being we need money to live a better life, but the greediness and the selfishness of earning much more money can create harm for us and could be dangerous for us. And next topic, what are you guys seeing in this picture?
A rickshaw puller.
A rickshaw puller.
And what?
He's happy.
He's happy?
He's happy. He's smiling, the important part.
Yes.
You guys seen that?
Yes.
A smile with $1 million happiness, which you cannot buy with the wealth of full world. It is impossible for us. So I can say that a man with low financial income can be happy, and I am putting a Rishabh's life as an example. So a Rishabh's life starts with hard work. He wakes up early in the morning, go to pull rickshaw, and the most important thing, he needs the daily groceries to live his life, not anything else. He is not greedy to earn any wealth or greedy to earn money. He just needs his daily goods to live his life. And the next life, he goes through a hard day. You can see he is pulling rickshaw in the rainy season, and on the picture you can see that there is
Summer season.
3 women is riding on a rickshaw, which is so hard for him to carry sometimes. But he is just doing for his family and his kids. It's a regular daily routine for him. He just go through his same day. But only one thing is needed, just enough money to buy the food and foods for his family. And you can see also a rickshaw puller with his family, babies, children. At the evening, after completing or having the enough money for buying his daily goods and groceries for his family, he returns to his family and spend the rest of the day with his children and family by watching TV, playing games, and etc., which give him joy. And this is the only thing we cannot buy with money or richness. These people are enough capable to buy happiness by giving to them anything else, but they can't do it. So my topic is finished at this moment, and I am inviting my groupmate author to explain the rest of the topic. Thank you, everyone.
So you can take over.
Hello everyone, I'm Anto. Today I'm going to discuss about greediness of earning money. So, a rich man life start with tension and finish with stretch. He might be rich. He might be rich. He might be rich. He might be rich. He is enjoying by giving too, but psychological method gets set on his mind that he needs money more and more. So he becomes greedy and he create many problems, others, many problems for others because his own selfish purpose, and that's all for mine. Now I would like to invite my friend Nobel to discuss rest of the topic.
Assalamualaikum. Myself, Manul, and now we can see in this picture a man with full of stress. He go through busy time all day long and cannot spend time with his family members. The only achievement is he can get through full life is earning more money and a stressful life. On the other side, also he cannot sleep at the night. As you can see on the other side, a rickshaw puller working very hard all day long. After pulling rickshaw all day long, he returned to Islam with the daily needs, and he can spend time with his family members. And this is the main reason why I think full life is happier than rich people. Thank you.
So any question for them?
Okay, so my question is, as you guys say that poor people does not go through any sort of stress, and at the end of the day, they're the happiest one out of the, like, compared between these two. But there are days where the rickshaw puller cannot earn the money, the right amount of money to spend it on their grocery or spend it on their family. At the end of the day, he returns home with no money to buy grocery or feed their child, and he also goes through stress about the money he has to earn for them, for their tuition fees, for their food, or the slum they're living in. What about that? Stress is for both people, right? Even for like rich people, even for the poor people.
It's a good question.
You are absolutely right. I am with you, but I can say that they felt less amount of stress than the rich people, and the problem they're facing not regular. It's sometimes on the winter season or can be in the rainy season, but not all the time. And sometimes in the occasional season or religious festival, they income much.
But except those religious festivals, every other day they income very less because we negotiate with them. If they ask for 50, we ask for 30.
It's our mentality.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, they're not reaching the goal they have.
Yeah, I am with
Even
you,
though
but
they're smiling, but inside they're going through so much more.
so I can say that the topic headline should be the poor are having less stress than the rich. You are trying to say that?
No, but I'm not saying like the poor are most happier, like the most happiest.
I am saying they are
rich
happier,
ones.
not most happier.
Okay, they're happier, but I think both of them are equally happy.
So I'd like to give some feedback. একটু শুনে নেন। আপনারা যেটা হয়েছে, যেহেতু আপনারা একটু সবাইকে শুনতে হবে, because আপনাদের যে ভুলটা হবে না, এটার কোনো গ্যারান্টি নাই। কিন্তু আপনি রিক্সা পুলারকে ফোকাস করেছেন, ঠিক আছে? সো রিক্সা পুলার জিনিসটা কাজে লাগলে ভালো হতো। যেহেতু একটা রিক্সা পুলারের বা রিক্সা পুলারের সাথে সমান লাইফস্টাইলে যারা আছে, তারা they are tend to be more happier than the richer or the upper class people in Bangladesh or in Dhaka, to be more specific. And then after বলেছিলাম যে কয়েকটা দেখেন this আপনার মানে রিজাল্ট দেখেছেন ফাইন, বাট বিজনেসটাকে ব্যাকআপ দেওয়ার জন্য
সার্ভে রেজাল্ট আসলে বাট আমরা
সার্ভে রেজাল্টটা দেখানোটা was very important. একটা নিউজপেপার আর্টিকেল দেখাতে পারতেন যে এখনকার দিনের যে আপনার মিডল ক্লাস বা আপার ক্লাস স্ট্রেস they go through and they are like they're মানে asking for more and more and they're never really happy. And একটা রিক্সা পুলারের একটা আপনি যে ইন্টারভিউ যেটা বলে, এটা those are like really available on the YouTube. আপনি এখান থেকে কিন্তু খুব ইজিলি এটা প্লে করতে পারবেন। আর একটা সবচেয়ে ভালো ছিল কাউন্টার আর্গুমেন্টের ক্ষেত্রে বিল গেটসের কিছু ফেমাস কোর্স which shows that he's not really happy after getting everything a person can get. So ওটা দিলে আপনার ব্যাকআপটা কিন্তু অনেক স্ট্রং হতো। হ্যাঁ, otherwise it's a good presentation. Okay, so please
ক্লোজার আর একটু ক্লোজার
এখন তোমাকে জানতে চাই
You can.
ম্যাম আপনার সাথে একটু করবো।
আপনি কি একটা কাজ করবেন পোস্টের নিচে কমেন্ট সেকশনে ছবিটা দিয়ে দিবেন সো দ্যাট আদার্স গেট ইউ নো others get motivated to do the presentation. Okay.
Our phone.